Miss Daniels, is that you?
Yes.
Hi. Is something wrong? Is that cut beginning to bother you?
No, it's not the cut that's bothering me.
Would you like some brandy?
If you have some,
I'll get it. Have a seat, Miss Daniels. Can I get you a sweater or anything? A quilt?
no, thank you. Won't you call me Melanie?
All right.
Thank you.
So, how was your evening? Did you meet Lydia? Or maybe you'd rather I changed the subject.
I think so.
So, what do you think of our little hamlet?
I despise it.
Well, I suppose it doesn't leave much to the casual visitor. Unless, of course, you enjoy a collection of shacks on a hillside. It takes a while to get used to.
Where are you from originally, Annie?
San Francisco.
How'd you happen to come here?
Hmm. Someone invited me up for the weekend a long time ago. Look, I don't see any reason to be coy about this. It was Mitch Brenner. Though I guess you knew that anyway.
I suspected as much.
Well, you needn't worry. It's over and done with a long time ago.
Annie, there's nothing between Mitch and me.
Isn't there? Well, maybe there isn't. Maybe there isn't ever anything between Mitch and any girl.
What do you mean?
I think I'll have some of that too. I saw a lot of Mitch in San Francisco, you know. And one weekend, he invited me up to meet Lydia.
When was this?
4 years ago, shortly after his father died. Of course, maybe things are different now.
Different?
With Lydia, did she seem a trifle distant?
A trifle.
Well, maybe things aren't different at all. Her attitude nearly drove me crazy. I just simply couldn't understand it. I went back to San Francisco and spent days just trying to figure out what I had done to displease her.
And what had you done?
Nothing. I simply existed. So what was the answer? A jealous woman? A clinging, possessive mother? Wrong. With all due respect to Oedipus, I don't think that was the case at all.
Then what was it?
Lydia liked me. You see, that was the strange part of it. In fact, now that I'm no longer a threat, we're very good friends.
Then why did she object to you?
She was afraid.
Afraid you'd take Mitch?
Afraid I'd give Mitch.
I don't understand.
Afraid of any woman who would give Mitch the only thing that Lydia can give him. Love.
Annie, that adds up to a jealous, possessive woman.
No, I don't think so. You see, Lydia wasn't afraid of losing Mitch. She was only afraid of being abandoned.
Someone ought to tell her she'd be gaining a daughter.
She already has a daughter.
What about Mitch? Didn't he have anything to say about this?
I understood his position. After his father died, he had a rough time with Lydia. He didn't want to risk going through all of that again.
I see.
So we ended it. Not immediately, of course. I went back to San Francisco and saw Mitch every now and then, but we both knew it was finished.
And what are you doing here in Bodega Bay?
Well, you get straight to the point, don't you?
I'm sorry, forgive me.
No, it's okay. I don't mind. There are two reasons. To begin with, I was bored of my job in San Francisco. I was a teacher at a private school there, and, well, you probably went to one.
I did.
So you know. Little girls in brown beanies. Deadly. Here I have a life. Monday morning, I'll walk into that classroom and see 25 little upturned faces, and each one of them saying, "Yes, please, give me what you have," and I'll give them what I have. I haven't got much of it, but I will give them every ounce of it. And to me, that's very important. Because that makes me want to stay alive for a long, long time. That's the first reason.
And the second?
I wanted to be near Mitch. I knew it was over, but I wanted to be near him anyway. You see, I still like him terribly. And that's rare, I think. I don't want to lose his friendship. Ever. Hello? Hi. No, I wasn't sleeping. What is it? Yes, just a short while ago. Sure. Hold on. It's Mitch. For you. He's waiting.
Hello? Yes, this is Melanie. Fine, thank you. No trouble at all. I simply followed the road. It's a very bright night. What? Oh, well, there's no need to apologize. I can understand. Well, that's very kind of you. No, I'm not angry. I couldn't. I'm afraid I have to get back to San Francisco. No, I wouldn't want to disappoint Kathy, but I see. Well, if you really... All right. Yes, I'll be there. Good night, Mitch. He wants me to go to Kathy's party tomorrow afternoon. I said I would.
I'll be there too to help out. It should be fun, Melanie.
It seems so pointless. I think I'll go to sleep. This has been a busy day. My luggage.
Pretty. Did you get that from Brinkmeyer's?
Do you think I should go?
That's up to you.
It's really up to Lydia, isn't it?
Never mind, Lydia. Do you want to go?
Yes.
Then go.
Thank you, Annie.
Who could that be at this hour? Who is it? Is anyone there? Is someone there?
Look.
Oh, that poor thing. probably lost his way in the dark.
But it isn't dark, Annie. There's a full moon.